Most security cameras force you to choose between a wide view or good tracking, but this new Reolink OMVI 3i Wi-Fi somehow does both at the same time. So this is the new Reolink OMVI 3i Wi-Fi, and after using it around my backyard for the past few days, I genuinely think this might be one of the smartest outdoor security cameras Reolink has made so far. Now what makes this different is that instead of choosing between a super wide-angle camera or a PTZ tracking camera, this actually combines both together into one system. So you've got this permanent 180-degree panoramic view, while the lower camera can still pan, tilt, zoom and auto-track subjects independently. And after testing the auto-tracking, night vision, app controls and dual-view monitoring, I've got a lot to talk about. Big thanks to Reolink for sponsoring this video and sending over the OMVI 3i Wi-Fi for review. As always though, all opinions in this video are based on my real-world testing. The first thing you notice is just how unusual this camera looks compared to traditional outdoor security cameras. Up top you've got the dual-lens panoramic system, and then underneath there's the separate 4K PT camera that handles tracking and detailed close-ups. And honestly, setup was pretty straightforward. Since this is the Wi-Fi version, I didn't need to run Ethernet cables everywhere. I mounted it overlooking my backyard, connected it through the Reolink app, and within a few minutes I was already getting live feeds. This is probably the biggest feature of the entire camera. Normally with PTZ cameras, when the camera rotates to track somebody, you lose visibility in the original direction. But with the OMVI 3i, the panoramic view stays fixed the entire time. So even while the lower PT camera is actively tracking movement, the upper panoramic system is still monitoring the entire backyard. And honestly, this is where I noticed the biggest improvement over the TrackMix. The TrackMix was already really good, but the OMVI gives you a permanent ultra-wide panoramic view, while tracking is happening separately. So it feels more like a full surveillance system, instead of just a smart tracking camera. So next I tested the auto tracking, and honestly this worked surprisingly well. I walked across different parts of the backyard, moved behind objects, even changed directions quickly, and the PT camera kept following me consistently. What's cool is that the panoramic camera detects movement first, then the PT lens locks onto the subject automatically. So you basically get both situational awareness and detailed tracking at the same time. And because the panoramic view stays active the whole time, you never really feel like the camera loses awareness of the scene. One feature I actually ended up using more than expected was the one-tap control inside the app. Basically, you can tap anywhere inside the panoramic view, and the PT camera instantly rotates to that exact location. And this feels way more intuitive than manually dragging around a PT camera, especially if you're trying to quickly check a specific area in your yard. The app itself is also pretty polished at this point. You can manage motion alerts, detection zones, playback, dual stream viewing, and even preset patrol points directly from your phone. Night performance was another area where this camera impressed me. The floodlights get extremely bright, and combined with the 4K PT lens, I was still getting really detailed footage even in darker parts of the backyard. And because the panoramic view is always active, it feels much easier to understand what's happening across the entire scene instead of just seeing one narrow angle. One thing I always appreciate with Reolink cameras is that you're not forced into monthly subscriptions just to use the main features. The OMVI supports local recording through microSD cards, NVRs, NAS systems, FTP, and RTSP OMVI support as well. So if you already have a home surveillance setup, this integrates pretty nicely. So after testing the OMVI 3i Wi-Fi in my backyard, I think this camera makes the most sense for people who want maximum coverage without installing multiple cameras everywhere. The combination of a permanent panoramic view plus dedicated PT tracking genuinely feels useful in real-world use. And compared to the TrackMix, this definitely feels like the more advanced evolution of the concept. Anyway, if you want to check out the OMVI 3i Wi-Fi, I'll leave links down below. And let me know in the comments, would you rather have multiple separate cameras or one smart camera system like this? Thanks again to Reolink for sponsoring this video. If you enjoyed this review, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.